AI research in electronics, healthcare, and agriculture. A faculty perspective.
Hello, I'm Dr. Neetu Prasad, a faculty member and researcher at SI University. My work focuses on integrating artificial intelligence with electronic sensors, nanomaterials, and imaging systems to develop intelligent solutions for healthcare and agriculture. My research lies at the intersection of electronics, sensing technologies, and artificial intelligence. I use machine learning and deep learning techniques to analyze complex data generated from electronic devices and sensor systems. AI enables faster interpretation, predictive modeling, and performance optimization of electronic and nano-enabled systems. AI transforms electronics research from data analysis into intelligent decision making.
One of the important application areas of my work is AI driven healthcare sensing. Advanced sensors and flexible electronic systems generate large volumes of physiological data. AI helps convert this raw data into meaningful health indicators, enabling early detection, continuous monitoring, and non-invasive diagnosis. In short, we can say AI turns sensors from passive data collectors into active diagnostic tools. Recently, I have been working on a project titled Development of an AI integrated plant disease detection system using RGB and multispectral imaging for major crops in Telangana. This project addresses a critical challenge in agriculture: early and accurate detection of plant diseases. The system integrates RGB and multispectral imaging with AI-based inference model to detect disease symptoms that are often invisible to human eye. Multispectral data helps capture stress indicators in plants, while AI algorithms analyze spatial and spectral patterns to identify disease at an early stage. By combining imaging sensors, AI inference, and geotag data, this system aims to support farmers with real-time, location-specific disease detection, leading to reduced crop loss and more sustainable agricultural practices. We can see that this project demonstrates how AI and electronics can directly support food security and regional agriculture. The future of AI and electronics lies in intelligent, adaptive systems that can sense, analyze, and respond autonomously. Whether in healthcare, agriculture, or sustainability, AI will play a key role in transforming raw data into actionable knowledge. I encourage students to build strong fundamentals in electronics, sensing technologies, and mathematics before applying AI. When domain knowledge and AI come together, innovation becomes truly impactful. AI is not replacing engineering. It is enabling us to engineer intelligence into systems that serve society.